Maddy and Jimmy.
Now, Jimmy, when these two girls build, it just brings a smile to my face. And we have seen some amazing builds from them this week, including a dream home and the most amazing shark adventure I think I've ever seen in my whole life.
I can hands down say it's probably the coolest Lego shark-related stunt the world has ever seen.
100%, Jimmy. I'm so excited to have back to the Maddy and Jimmy show, Summer and Iona. Hello.
Hi, thank you for having us.
Thank you for being here. More importantly, we are so psyched after seeing you guys absolutely smash it this week. We are so happy to have you on the show again. Thank you.
And I was going to say you've been busy, but you've actually had some time off. But we'll talk about that in a second. Look, it's what everybody wants to know about, your explosion episode. Of course, you had a dream house prior to this, and it was crumbling a little bit. And I was so nervous for you when I saw the cracks appearing. But I think everybody wants to know about that shark exploding moment. I mean, it looks so stressful on television. Was it like that for you guys in real life?
Yes. Yeah, absolutely.
We couldn't predict anything because obviously it's explosive, so we didn't really know what we were expecting. But yeah.
Totally. And we were like on the edge of our seats, literally, like there'd be an ad break just before that shark kind of came down as well. And I was like, oh my God, is it going to make it? But yeah, you're so right. You could build the most incredible, build creation ever, but it all comes down to that final moment. I loved the use of the shark tank with the water obviously being the breaking point. Was that something that came to you guys straight away? Did you have to think about that for a while?
Yeah, I think it came pretty quick because we were like, what do you do with water? And we didn't feel like there were a lot of options there for like water, fish tank, sharks. So
totally.
Yeah.
I love that. I'm not very good at maths, girls. This is something that most people know about me. But roughly those sharks are about $4 to $5 each to buy. So if you use, say, 70, what's 70 times 5? $350 worth of shark in that build. That is epic.
But I love that out of $350 worth of sharks, one shark came down and hit the evil villain. Did you have any idea that was going to happen?
No.
Absolutely not.
No.
I thought there were going to be some sharks, and when there were none, it was like, oh no, how did we put all the sharks in the brick pit into our build and not have one come in front of the camera? And then we had our lucky shark come, and it was an absolute shock.
I love it. And it was just straight down the barrel, in the center, nose dive onto the bad guy.
It hit the evil ninja. But I think you guys were surprised by that. But I think even more so, winning the challenge. How did you feel when Brickman said your names?
So shocked.
Yeah, shocked.
I did not believe it could happen. I was like honoured just to be in the top 2. Like that was shocking for me. So when Brickman said we'd won, I didn't believe it.
Especially after losing half of our build the episode before. That was dramatic.
It was so deserving though.
Maddy and I were the same with the haunted house apartment build. We, the week before we almost got kicked out, and you guys when you went like this, it just reminded me of that exact moment.
It took us back.
When the shark came down, you could see Trent just jump. It was
so cool.
And I love how supportive everyone is as well. It's so wonderful to watch everyone else's reactions as everyone's explosions went off. It was just magic.
Now, guys, we've got some questions as well. And we have a question from Chloe on the chats. I don't know whether you want to admit this or not. Did you get to keep or take any of those sharks from the explosion?
No, not one. And I wish I'd stolen one. I regret it so much.
You could have had a range of melted shark jewelry necklaces or something.
Shark earrings. That's it.
We couldn't find any of them. That's the thing, is we didn't know where they all went. So there was literally just that one that fell down.
Maybe you could have looked up and they're all just stuck into the
roof.
Must be. Honestly, must be.
That's amazing. Oh, guys, we are just so proud of you for your amazing work this week. And
keep up the great work.
Can't wait to see where you go next week in week 2.
Summer and Iona, thanks so much for coming on the show.
Thanks so much, girls.
Thank you.
Bye.
See ya.
Maddy and Jimmy.